Good news, guys. I'm going to be walking you through how you can withdraw your Hamster Kombat tokens from your Hamster bots on Telegram to your Binance, to your Bybit, OKX, and Telegram wallet. And you need to understand that you only have one opportunity to set up this withdrawal detail. If there's any mistake, there's no way you can change your withdrawal details again. So you need to be very careful while doing this. And that's why I took it upon myself to make this tutorial. Please watch it from the beginning to the end so there will be no mistake for you. You also need to understand that the exchange you're using needs to be verified. You need to have done your KYC and it must be approved. All right. So if you have not done that, please choose whatever exchange you want to choose, do your registration and do your KYC. Once it's approved, then you can proceed. So having said all this, let's get into the tutorial proper. Okay, so to get started, just open your Hamster Kombat bot. Once you open it, just okay, so once the bot opens just like this, navigate below here to the airdrop section. As you can see, now yours may be under this point section, so you have to just navigate to the withdrawal section like this. Alright, so before you start anything at all, you have to scroll to the end and reset withdrawal options first. You can see reset withdrawal options, so click on it and go ahead and reset and choose another option. You can read the instructions there asking if you are sure you want to reset your withdrawal options. All information about deposit addresses, IDs and wallet numbers will be deleted. This action cannot be undone. You will be able to re-enter all data. All right, so even if you have not entered any data before, or you are trying to uh, enter your details but it's not actually working, just come and reset it. And once you reset it like that, then you select your withdrawal option. For me, I had not entered anything before, but I've been trying to do it. It has not been working, so I now read that we may have to reset first. You can see all the available options. The first one here is Binance, and you need to have done your KYC like I said. The next one is OKX. It requires KYC also. Bybit also requires KYC. Wallets in Telegram requires a light KYC, and these other ones doesn't require any KYC. So you just make up your mind, go for whichever exchange or wallet you want to use, and do your thing. But for me, I want to show you how you can withdraw to your Binance, OKX, Bybit, and also wallet in Telegram. For this EBI exchange and on-chain airdrop, I really don't know why you want to go for them, but these four options to me are okay for you. Right? So for the very first one, and the one I'm going to go for my account, is the Binance exchange. That's my own choice. That's the exchange I want to use. But for you, just go ahead and decide on which exchange you want to use. So I'll tap on that. It's asking that if I have a Binance account. Of course I have it, so I'm going to click yes, I have it. This pattern is just the same as we did for dogs, Notcoin and the likes. For those that don't have a Binance account, I'm going to leave my link in the description below. You can use it to register if you want. Okay, so now the withdrawal details is the hamster deposit address and a memo. So to get it, you have to open your Binance account, a verified Binance account. So when your Binance opens like this, if your interface is different from mine, try updating your Binance app. And if after updating it still doesn't look like mine, then it means your Binance is not in Binance Pro, and you can change that by clicking top left corner here Once you do that, look below here. Yours may be in light, so you have to change it back to pro. Alright, so once you change it back to pro, you are going to have your interface just like mine. So in order to copy your hamster deposit address and the memo while on the home page, there are several ways you can actually do this, but the easiest way, while on the home page like this, you're going to see add funds up here. If you are not seeing all these things, please update your Binance app or change it from light to pro. Come top left corner here, you see the type you're using down here, if it's light or pro. Just switch it back to pro so you can have the same interface as mine. So on the home page like this, you are going to see add funds. Tap on add funds, then select deposit crypto because you want to deposit crypto. Now you want to deposit hamster, so you are going to search for hamster, HMST, and it's going to come up like this. You can see it here. This is hamster, it's there already, and you can see the importance notice here that saying that memo is important or required for this address. All right, if you make any mistake by not using the memo, you will not get your deposit. So all I'm going to do now is to copy this deposit address and my memo and go and use it. You can see, so I'm going to copy that, both the memo and the deposit address, and I'll head back to my Telegram app. Then I'll paste the address I copied and also the memo. After pasting, I'm going to save and choose. So after giving you a step-by-step guide on how to withdraw to your Binance, I'm just going to show you around on how to withdraw using OKX, Bybit, and Telegram wallet. I'll just show you what you need to get, all right, what they requested for and how to get it. So for OKX, once you go there, what you need is your OKX UID and the hamster deposit address and then memo. And to get that, just open your OKX app. So when you open your OKX, click top left corner here so you can open your profile. Then when you do that, click on your email address. Here is your UID, so just copy it. So just copy the UID. After copying your UID like I showed you, the next thing to do is to go to assets down here and then you click on deposit. You search for hamster, HMST, it will come up, click on it and the deposit details will be opened, will be displayed to you just like we did on Binance. Then you copy it, the address, the memo, and you already have the UID. Then you go back to your hamster bot and enter it. I can't show you right now because OKX is no longer functioning in my country. So after copying those details, just bring them here, enter the UID here, enter the hamster deposit address, enter the memo here, and click on the save and choose button, and that's it. All right. For those that want to use Bybit, when you open it, you also need your Bybit UID, the hamster deposit address, and the memo. Let me show you where to get this information.
So this is it. You copy the wallet address, copy the tag. Tag is the same thing as memo. All right. So they call it memo or tag. So copy the two, and after that you head back to your Telegram, to your Hamster bot, and enter the details. And for Telegram wallet, there's nothing much to do. You just connect your Telegram wallet and that's it. You can see, just connect your wallet and you are good to go. So that's how to withdraw your Hamster Kombat tokens to your Binance or your OKX exchange or Bybit or to your Telegram wallet. That will be all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can also do the same thing before the deadline. All right, thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.